Good morning, students. So today we come to the end of level 1 art and craft class, and for this we are going to draw few small things like trees, rabbits and birds. We will start with the first one, that is tree. So first we draw a standing oval and two vertical lines. A horizontal line for the level. And we make it little bit curved. So now our first tree is ready, and we will erase some of the lines which is not needed. And now we will use our sketch pen to darken it. So students, we have almost drawn all the farm animals. So with this we come to the end of our level 1 art and craft. So second, we go and make a big tree. A big oval, sleeping oval, and on both the sides we have two ovals which are also sleeping ones. So there are the branches, and then two vertical lines. We make some changes and we make some curved lines around the oval. You see this? So now we will take a eraser and take out all the lines that we don't need. Now we will darken the lines that we need. So our tree is also ready. Now we will make birds sitting on the tree. We make a circle, and on the top side we will make another circle, and a triangle there, and followed by a oval which will turn into the wings. That's the legs. The beak and the eyes. So we will remove some of the lines we don't need again. So we make one more bird sitting down under the tree. We do the same thing, we make a circle, and at the left hand side we make another circle, an oval, a triangle, and legs there. That's the beak. And now we will remove some of the lines we don't need. So let's now darken them. And now we will make a rabbit. Yes. For that you make a sleeping oval, and at the left hand side top you make another slanting oval, and over that you make another one, that's supposed to be the legs, that's the sleeping oval, and another slanting one, that's the tail. Now we erase the lines that we don't need. Some details, eyes, and now we darken them. So now our rabbit is ready. We make some grass. So we will take out once again all the lines there before we start coloring them. So now we start coloring. For this tree we are using dark green color. For the beak we are using orange color. So for rabbit, our rabbit is white and it has some black patches. So now let's color the grass. We can use both light green and dark green. So we are ready. So with this we come to the end of level 1 art and craft. You can draw this picture and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye.